So assalamu alaikum guys, here I am again with a new video. So please subscribe and like this video. Here in this my video I will show you how to download Fortnite game for free on your PC, literally for free. Okay, first it was on paid, but now it has become free. So it's very easy. Okay, you just have to go to the website epicgames.com. just follow me. Okay, link is given below in the description. Just go to the website epicgames.com. Here we go. Now as you guys can see on the top right corner of the screen, there is a option of get epic games. Okay, just click at this option and it will download a launcher. Okay, here we go. Here it is downloading. So I already have downloaded it, so I will cancel it. When it is downloaded, just install that launcher. Okay, when it installed, it come something like this on your screen. Okay, Epic Games Launcher. Just click on it and it will open something like this. Okay, so here I got an option of launch, Fortnite and launch. Okay, so you guys probably get an option of install or download, because you guys don't have downloaded this game. I have already downloaded it. So on this option you have to click on this option, whatever you get on this option. When you click on this option, it will start downloading Fortnite game without any procedures, without anything else. It will start downloading your game. Okay, so when your game is downloading, just let it download. It is almost a setup of 9.9 GB, almost 10 GB. So you guys should have enough space. And so when it is download, I already have downloaded it. It took almost 1 day to download me for the game. Okay, so when it download, you will get an option of launch. Here you will get an option of launch. So you guys don't have to do anything. Just go to the website, download Epic Launcher and download the game from the launcher, and just click at this launch button. Okay, when you click at this button, this say busy, server is busy running. Now it will open the game. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, it will open the game and you guys play it easily. Just you have to okay, here we go. Pause the game. I don't know what is this. This is the first time. Okay, here we click again. Let's see. There was the first time it said error. Otherwise it only start. It's a pretty heavy game. So what is this? Okay, anti-cheat. Oh shit, I have installed the anti-cheat. Okay, here you go. I have anti-cheat. I'm sorry, this is making my video long. Oh shit, I have installed that. Oh shit. Okay, so you guys, this video will certainly play your game, because I have installed one of the feature that was anti-switch. I have installed it accidentally. So when you will click at the launch button, it will launch your game and you guys can easily play it from there. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and like this video. So hello guys, I am here again. Okay, in previous video, as you guys can know, that the game was not launching. It was showing some error because I accidentally deleted a feature of it. Now I have installed that feature. It was let me show you. It was this easy anti-cheat. I accidentally deleted this feature, so because of this the game was not launching. It was showing an error. Now you on your PC it won't show an error because you guys won't delete it. It will automatically be installed in your computer when you will install the whole game. So now just I'm showing you again. Just go to the launcher, click at the launcher, it will open. Okay, now click at launch. It take almost 2 minutes to launch this game. Yeah, it was showing error at this place. Okay, at this place it was showing the error. Now it is not showing the error, you guys can see, because I have installed that feature. Okay, so it's very easy and simple. You just have to download the launcher and click on install Fortnite, and it will install the whole game on your PC, and just click on launch button. Now it will launch my game. I already told you it takes about 2 minutes to launch the game. Okay, so you guys should have a heavy PC for this game, almost about 4 to 6 GB RAM. 4 GB I think so is enough. So in my PC I have 500 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. Okay, so it perfectly run. It run very smoothly. Okay, you guys can see it's loading. This loading take time. It's very easy and simple. If you don't have to see the loading, just skip the video to almost 30 to 40 seconds, because I have already told you this loading will take time. Okay, it's 50%. Going. Some guys have told me that this game is not running smoothly on their PC. Okay, this game is showing some lag and it is not running smoothly. Okay, so I have made another video for that lag. To resolve that lag, I have made another video, you guys can see in my channel. Okay, it's almost 99%. Okay, here we go. It's gonna complete. Okay, here we go. Now it is also gonna take time, about 30 seconds. I know I'm making my video long for no reason, but I'm not making it myself. This game is doing this. It always take time. Perfect things take time. Okay, here Fortnite patching, logging in, downloading user setting. Okay, what's the note? Okay, it's gone. Where's the note? Weapon don't last. Okay, so here's the battle royale. Okay, you have to play this is the mode in which the 100 players play and only one wins. Okay, just click at that, it will open something like this. Okay, this is your PC. Okay, now just click at play and it will do everything. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Just like and subscribe my channel for other videos. Okay, these graphics are very low, I know. Okay, to make these graphics cool, I have made another video. Okay, now it's loading, finding match. Okay, it's going to go. It's gonna take only 10 to 15 seconds. Oh my tea. Okay, it's making a match, waiting for the server. Joining server now. Yeah, here you go. What's the note? patch yourself up with bandages. Use med kits to restore full health. This is a very fast game. Okay, it's loading almost 50%. Okay, now after this I'm just showing this for confirmation that this game run smoothly. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Okay, see, my graphics are a bit low because I have done it myself. You guys can update the graphics. I have made another video to show where graphics are gone high. Okay, I jumped. Okay, now you guys can play this video, so enjoy, like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Here we go to deploy guider. Thank you very much. This is Abdul Moise from Cloud of Everything.